So today, it's cloudy and windy. We pretty much knew it was going to be like this. So I've been inside making coffee and playing on social media. So it's kind of funny because I get cheap coffee and I grind it. By the way, this is my impression of cheap coffee. It comes in a big box, big bag. And I got the beans because I got this awesome little Breville grinder. And yeah, it ground it so good that I accidentally have been Aero pressing cups of coffee on this cold morning. And I put the good coffee always in after I grind it into a glass container, the cheap coffee in the plastic one. This one I usually use for mochas, and this one I usually AeroPress or Mochi pot and just drink straight black coffee. You know you didn't sleep well when after the second cup you realize that you've been making the cheap coffee. So now we're gonna make some good coffee and I'm excited about it. And I think we might grind up some of those beans from Coffee IV over in Incline Village. Taste those through the AeroPress. So let's get to it. We're gonna go closer to an espresso grind. That was a video on how to do an AeroPress. If you liked it, want to see more on how to make great cups of coffee, let me know. I'm kind of a professional amateur at it. So, cheers.